उसने अपने अनुभव से मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया। He taught me a lot through his experience. He taught me a lot through his experience. उसने अपने काम से सबको प्रभावित किया। He impressed everyone with his work. He impressed everyone with his work. तुम्हें अपनी ऊर्जा को सही दिशा में लगाना चाहिए। You should channel your energy in the right direction. You should channel your energy in the right direction. उसने हर चुनौती को स्वीकार किया और सफलता हासिल की। He accepted every challenge and achieved success. He accepted every challenge and achieved success. तुम्हें अपनी इच्छाओं को पूरा करने के लिए मेहनत करनी होगी। You will have to work hard to fulfill your desires. You will have to work hard to fulfill your desires. सच कहने में क्या हर्ज है? What's the harm in telling the truth? What's the harm in telling the truth? उसकी सादगी का फ़ायदा मत उठाओ। Don't take advantage of his simplicity. Don't take advantage of his simplicity. तुम्हें दूसरों को नीचा दिखाने की आदत छोड़नी होगी। You should stop the habit of putting others down. You should stop the habit of putting others down. अगर तुम्हारे इरादे नेक हैं तो डरने की कोई बात नहीं। If your intentions are pure, there's nothing to fear. If your intentions are pure, there's nothing to fear. उसने अपनी मेहनत से अपनी पहचान बनाई। He created his identity through hard work. He created his identity through hard work. तुम्हें हर समय दूसरों से उम्मीदें नहीं रखनी चाहिए। You shouldn't always have expectations from others. You should not always have expectations from others. जो चीज़ें तुम्हारी नियंत्रण में नहीं हैं, उन्हें जाने दो। Let go of the things that are beyond your control. Let go of the things that are beyond your control. तुम्हें किसी के भरोसे का मजाक नहीं उड़ाना चाहिए। You should never mock someone's trust. You should never mock someone's trust. वह हमेशा दूसरों के भले के बारे में सोचता है। He always thinks about the well-being of others. He always thinks about the well-being of others. वह अपनी सफलता के लिए किसी का एहसान नहीं मानता। He doesn't owe his success to anyone. He does not owe his success to anyone. तुम्हारे शब्द दूसरों पर गहरा असर डालते हैं। Your words leave a deep impact on others. Your words leave a deep impact on others. क्या तुमने कभी अपनी गलतियों से सीख ली है? Have you ever learned from your mistakes? Have you ever learned from your mistakes? हर व्यक्ति की एक सीमा होती है, इसे समझो। Every person has a limit. Understand it. Every person has a limit. Understand it. तुम्हें अपनी कमियों को सुधारने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए। You should try to fix your flaws. You should try to fix your flaws. तुम्हारी हरकतें अब और सहन नहीं की जा सकती। Your actions can no longer be tolerated. Your actions can no longer be tolerated. जो कुछ भी उसने किया वह उसके दिल से किया. Whatever he did from his heart. Whatever he did from his heart. तुम अपनी हार को स्वीकार क्यों नहीं कर सकते? Why can't you accept your defeat? Why can't you accept your defeat? उसके शब्दों में सच्चाई और समझदारी दोनों थी कि his words had both truth and wisdom. His words had both truth and wisdom. क्या तुमने कभी खुद पर भरोसा किया? Have you ever trusted yourself? Have you ever trusted yourself? उसकी मेहनत ने उसे दूसरों से अलग बनाया. His hard work set him apart from others. His hard work set him apart from others. तुम्हारी ईमानदारी तुम्हारी सबसे बड़ी ताकत है. Your honesty is your greatest strength. Your honesty is your greatest strength. वह अपनी सोच से दूसरों को प्रेरित करता है. He inspires others with his thinking. He inspires others with his thinking. तुम्हारे बिना यह काम करना बहुत मुश्किल था. It was very difficult to do this work without you. It was very difficult to do this work without you. मैंने उसे समझाने की बहुत कोशिश की लेकिन वह जिद्दी है. I tried hard to make him understand but he is stubborn. I tried hard to make him understand but he is stubborn. तुम्हें अपनी समस्याओं से भागना नहीं चाहिए. You should not run away from your problems. You should not run away from your problems. उसकी मुस्कान हर किसी का दिल खुश कर देती है. Her smile makes everyone happy. Her smile makes everyone happy. हर दिन एक नई शुरुआत है. Every day is a new beginning. Every day is a new beginning. उसने अपने सपनों को पाने के लिए दिन रात मेहनत की. He worked day and night to achieve his dreams. He worked day and night to achieve his dreams. उसे एक बार मिलने में क्या हर्ज है? What's the harm in meeting him once? What's the harm in meeting him once? उसके भोलेपन का फायदा मत उठाओ. Don't take advantage of his innocence. Don't take advantage of his innocence. उसे एक बार बात करने में क्या हर्ज है? What's the harm in talking to him once? What's the harm in talking to him once? तुम्हें किसी की मदद के लिए हाथ बढ़ाने में संकोच नहीं करना चाहिए. You shouldn't hesitate to lend a helping hand to someone. You should not hesitate to lend a helping hand to someone. क्या तुमने कभी अपने अंदर की आवाज़ को सुना है? Have you ever listened to your inner voice? Have you ever listened to your inner voice? उसने जो कहा उस पर भरोसा करना मुश्किल था. It was hard to believe what he said. It was hard to believe what he said. तुम्हारी चुप्पी भी कभी कभी बहुत कुछ कह जाती है. Your silence sometimes speak volumes. योर साइलेंस समटाइम्स स्पीक्स वॉल्यूम्स। तुम्हें हर बार सफाई देने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती। You don't need to justify yourself every time. You do not need to justify yourself every time. वह आजकल बहुत पढ़ाई कर रही है। She is studying a lot these days. She is studying a lot these days. So friends, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. If you like this video and learn something new from this video or this channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed Pro. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.